Are you tired juggling multiple jobs and missing out on life's precious moments? I've been there, but I found a way out, and I'm here to help you do the same. Hi, I'm April, originally from the Philippines, residing in Canada, a wife, an educator by profession, and a proud digital business owner. Like many immigrants, we face our fair share of challenges. While holding down full-time jobs, we hustled on the side, tried everything we could. Online selling, cleaning houses, delivering groceries, went back to school to further our education, and even run our own junk removal business. Despite our timeless effort, our earnings barely covered the basics, leaving us feeling distressed and exhausted. That's when I came across an ad on Facebook, similar to what you're watching now. I deeply resonate with the sentiment because, like her, all I wanted was to spend more quality time with my loved ones. Taking a leap of faith, I started by ensuring business legitimacy through thorough research and due diligence. And oh, I'm grateful I did. The business had so much potential, and the fact that it required paying taxes confirmed its credibility. They provided the tools I needed, and I had mentor and coach guiding me every step of the way. This opportunity is simply too incredible not to share. And let me tell you about the game changer. Automation. Picture this. Not only we offer same top-notch tools and training to every entrepreneur, but we also integrate automation. What does that mean to you? Well, it means that your business can run smoothly and efficiently even when you're not actively working on it. Automation takes care of essential tasks, freeing up your time and energy to focus to what truly matters. If you find yourself yearning for more time with your loved ones, know that you are not alone. Join us on a journey towards reclaiming the precious time and creating a life filled with meaningful moments. Sign up for the no-cost webinar on my website, www.aprilsubebe.com, and let's explore how you can make this dream a reality. Thank you for your time.